మన మిర్రర్ టీవీకి వచ్చేసింది ఎవరో కాదు ప్రజ్ఞా జైస్వాల్. హాయ్.
Hi,
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
very good.
We can sense that with your cute and pretty smile. So yeah, how was the journey from Kanchi to Akhanda from 2015 to 2021?
2015 to 21 has been a journey full of crazy roller coaster rides. I started with a bang with this amazing film called Kanchi, lovely character Sita Devi, which won a lot of appreciation, lots of awards, National Award, Best Debut Award, Filmfare. So very exciting start to the journey, and then so many films after that. Little ups and downs in between, but I'm back here finally with Akhanda, with this blockbuster combination of Boyapati sir and Balakrishna sir. So very excited for the release tomorrow, and can't wait for the audience to see our film.
Yeah, so the first day of Kanchi shoot and the first day of Akhanda shoot, how did you experience the day one of both the shoots day?
My first day of shoot of Kanchi was with Varun and a big team. It was the introduction shot of the film, me meeting Varun for the first time, and I was actually meeting Varun for the first time on the sets. So it was a beautiful and a very exciting experience in Kanchi. There were so many important characters in that film, which we shot with on the day one of shoot of Kanchi. But in Akhanda, the first day of shoot was with Balakrishna sir alone, and I've met him a couple of times socially before, but shooting for a film is a different thing. So I was a little scared that I don't know how he will be, but he was very sweet and he made me comfortable, and we had a very smooth day of shoot.
యా సో ఫస్ట్ టైం బోయపాటి సార్ మీకు స్టోరీ నరేట్ చేసినప్పుడు వాట్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ మీ మైండ్లో రన్ అయినాయి? అరే ఇది నేను చేయగలుగుతానా లేదా, లేకపోతే క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినప్పుడు మీరు ఆ రోల్ తీసుకున్నారా?
I actually have worked with Boyapati sir once before in Jai Janki Nayaka. This is the second time I'm working with him. So when he called me for the movie meeting, I knew that I wanted to work with him again. He's one of the best directors that I have worked with. I know he's very good with these massy films. So definitely Boyapati sir and Balakrishna sir coming together for the third time was a lot of good buzz. It was this blockbuster combination and good vibes right from the beginning. So for me, even before taking the narration, it was a yes from my side that I'm like, okay, I think we're going to do this. So it wasn't too many things running in my mind. I was just happy and excited and grateful that I'm finally back to working, finally back to shoots with a big film, and that was all that I was doing and focusing on.
ఎస్ సో బోయపాటి సార్ ఫస్ట్ టైం మీరు బాలకృష్ణ సార్తో కోయాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు అని అనగానే వాట్స్ ద థింగ్, లైక్ ఎట్లా ఎక్సైట్ అయ్యారా, కొంచెం నర్వస్ అయ్యారా, భయపడ్డారా ఏంటి?
I was a little bit nervous the first day, and after meeting him in 2 minutes, he just made me so comfortable. He is just cracking jokes and laughing and joking all the time. So he's very young at heart, so it was really fun the first day of shoot, and all the nervousness and fear vanished.
ఎస్ సో బాలయ్య సార్తో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు ఆన్ సెట్లో అన్నప్పుడు లైక్ చాలా కో యాక్టర్స్కి కాస్త టెన్షన్, భయము, లేకపోతే లైక్ కొంచెం లైక్ అందరూ ఏమనుకుంటారు బయట అంటే బాలయ్య సార్ చాలా స్ట్రిక్ట్, చాలా కోపంగా ఉంటారు అని అంటారు. సో ఆఫ్ సెట్లో మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చెప్పండి.
On set, off set, both. He's the sweetest person I've ever met. He's the nicest person. And all these rumors about anger and all is rubbish. He's a complete opposite of what you hear about him. So these stories are different from the person that I met. And throughout the shooting time, 11 months, I have not seen him angry or upset any day. Always happy, cracking jokes, being funny, singing shairi, singing songs, listening to songs. He's very jovial and very easygoing. So I did not see like the other side of him. So I was very comfortable and happy around him.
ఎస్ సో మరి బాలయ్య సార్ చాలా కూల్ అండ్ చాలా పర్సనలైజ్డ్గా కూడా ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్గా కలిసిపోతారు అని చెప్తున్నారు ప్రజ్ఞ తన మాటల్లో. మరి ప్రజ్ఞ నుంచి మనం ఒక సీక్రెట్ తెలుసుకుందాము. ఎస్ ప్రజ్ఞ, జస్ట్ టెల్ us one secret about బాలయ్య సార్ which everyone don't know. And
one secret, it's not really a secret, it's just one thing that I really get inspired from. After doing more than 100 films, he is still so disciplined, so punctual. He wakes up every day at 3 o'clock. I'm not sure if that's a secret, but he wakes up every day at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, he works out, 5 o'clock, he does his pujas and everything. So he's a very spiritual person, very hardworking person. And then he is on set every day early in the morning. By 6:30, he will be on set. So that is very inspiring for me. And that, I think, is the secret to his success. His discipline and his punctuality and his passion towards everything that he does. So that's the secret.
సో బాలయ్య సార్ సీక్రెట్ ఆఫ్ సక్సెస్ని అందరికీ వివరంగా చెప్పిన ప్రజ్ఞ. ఎస్ ప్రజ్ఞ, సో మరి డ్యాన్స్ మోడ్కి రాగానే ఆ మ్యూజిక్ ఇటు తమన్ గారు కానీ ఇటు బాలయ్య సార్ బోయపాటి సార్, సో వీళ్ళు ముగ్గురు మిక్స్ అయ్యి పాట స్టార్ట్ చేయగానే మీకు ఎట్లా అనిపించింది ద డ్యాన్స్ మోడ్లో?
Yeah, I actually love dancing. It's my first love. So I was very happy I got to do a dance number in this film. Already it is a very commercial film, but in the story there is not much scope for a lot of songs. So there's actually a dance number is a very big thing, and me to be dancing with Balakrishna sir in this blockbuster film VV3 Akhanda was a great opportunity. I enjoy dancing a lot, so for me this song was very exciting, and Balakrishna sir was so excited about the song that we had a blast shooting for the song. We really enjoyed.
Yes, Akhanda trailer says that it's a blockbuster of 2021, and we are saying goodbye 2021 with a blast hit with Akhanda.
Yes.
Yes. So did you watch the movie after the editing and all?
No, Boypati sir does not show his movie. He's like, first day, first show, go watch in the theatre. So I'm waiting to watch it tomorrow.
Yes. So when you saw the trailer, what was the reaction?
Goosebumps. It's a terrific trailer, outstanding, mind-blowing. And Balakrishna sir in this Agora character is just such a surprise, because nobody has ever seen him like that, and no character like that is ever created in a film. So that transformation from one character to another is just magic.
Yeah. So the trailer says that the story runs around you. Is that true or false?
It's true. The female characters in a Boypati sir's film are always strong female characters, and my character is the character which takes the story forward. So everything starts with me. I'm the driving force of the story, means my character. So you will see more tomorrow when you go and watch the film. I hope you watch it soon.
Yes, I'm so excited. Like me, many, like lakhs of people are waiting to watch Akhanda on the first day, first show.
Yes.
Yes, and in the trailer, we see that almost all like the crispy situations which you were faced, and about your costume and everything, which we all observed. It's like Jay Janaki Nayaka Pragya is different and Akhanda Pragya is different.
Yes.
So what all the major differences?
Boypati sir wanted a complete transformation for me in the film. He's like, Pragya, this is a character that you've never played before, so you have to look like what you've never looked like before. So I don't want people to think this is the Pragya from Kanche or any other film before. It has to be a brand new image. So he did a lot of detailed research, and he was like very particular about hair and makeup and costume and walk and talk and mannerism. So he really wanted me to, look completely different, which is why the Pragya from Jai Janaki Nayaka is different from the Pragya here. But it's all hats off to Boypati sir that he could see me in this character, and we worked so hard to make this look convincing, and I hope it translates on screen and people love me in this character also.
Yeah, so Akhanda, 11 months of journey on shoot mode. Yes, so which is the most memorable day on the set?
Most memorable was the dance song, Jai Balia. I enjoyed it thoroughly, had a blast, had a lot of fun, and that's my favorite 5 days of shooting for the film.
Yes, so your first love is dance.
Yes.
So can you give a small step, at least with the hands and all, something to, it's like dedicating to all Balia fans.
What I'll do? Yeah, Jai Balia, yema gurrale kale mo saya.
Yeah, so coming to Akhanda family, I have a task here. So
Okay.
we all watch the reality show Big Boss.
Yes.
Why should have Big Boss only the task? Why can't a Mirror TV have a task?
We can have it. Let's do it.
Let's do it? Yeah. So you should say about the Akhanda family members, which I give the smileys to you. You just reflect them with the smiles.
Oh.
So I keep explaining you. So usually we put the smileys, emojis in the WhatsApp routine.
Yes.
Yes. So now you just give a dedication.
This is
by
Madhushri,
emoji.
my makeup artist. She's always smiling, blushing, being cute.
Yeah. And who is like Tom and Jerry on the set? You and Balaya sir?
Tom and Jerry.
Yeah.
On set means one has to run behind the other. There's no.
No.
Just two fun people.
Okay.
Two fun people.
Actually, Tom and Jerry reflect that they fight like no one fights in the world,
Yes.
but they can't live without each other, like best
Yes.
friends forever.
Two people like that on our set.
So you're thinking a lot. So
Yeah.
something is messy over there. Just
No,
let us
there's
know.
nobody like that.
No one.
Nobody fights on our set. Everyone is happy.
It's not about real
but
fight. It's a
but
cute.
Two people like that.
So compare you with someone else.
Me and Madhu, me and my makeup artist.
Again. So Madhu got 2 words in this, the task. Okay. So Madhu section was done because only 2 votes.
Okay.
So many Akhanda family is a very huge
I
family.
will tell you what to do. Your questions are like that.
Yeah. Again the Cherry. Cherry is like only single person.
This is Balu. He is one of the AD for our film.
Okay.
Boyapati Balu.
Boy party Balu. Yeah. And who is the lawyer? Like always keep judging you. Like no.
Not judging, but this is Tata Garu.
Tata Garu.
He is a co-director of our film.
Oh, co-director Tata Garu. Yeah. And who is very foodie?
Foodie is me.
You.
Yes.
This is a self-nomination. Nowadays, the self-nomination is
Yes.
very common, and so ee task la kuda
I'm a foodie. Everyone keeps saying if Pragya is not shooting, she's eating. That's me.
సో హెల్త్కి సంబంధించిన టిప్, సో తన డైట్కి సంబంధించిన టిప్ ఏంటో ఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయిపోయే లోపు ఏదో తెలుసుకోవాలి. సో యా. అండ్ సర్కాస్టిక్, ఆల్ టైమ్ సర్కాస్టిక్.
Boy party, sir. He keeps pulling everyone's legs, keeps joking around. Not sarcastic, but he's like funny and cracking jokes. So, boy party, sir.
Boyapati sir. Yeah. Coming to angry, all time gussa.
Nobody is angry on our set ever.
No one.
Smiling people, always.
Always, yeah. Who is so funny?
Balakrishna, sir.
Balaya sir.
He's always cracking jokes, singing songs, and he's not the emoji, but funny.
Yeah.
Good energy, happy person, making everyone laugh is Balakrishna, sir.
సో మీకు డైలాగ్ కాస్త కష్టం అనిపించినప్పుడు, అది కొంచెం టంగ్ రోల్ అయినప్పుడు మీకు బాగా సపోర్టింగ్ చేసింది ఎవరు? అండ్ హూ ఇస్ ద కూల్గా సపోర్ట్ చేసిన
Coolest person on our set is Boyapati, sir.
సో అగైన్
Most supportive and most helpful and best person. Boyapati, sir.
సో 2 words, yeah. And the final thing, just yes, you just say by the emoji what you're thinking of.
This is Rampi, sir. Ram Prasad Garu. He's the DOP of our film. Always happy, smiling, and just every day just smiling, no matter how hard the day is, how much he has to work in the sun, in the rain, whatever. Smiling always. This is Ram Prasad Garu.
ఎస్. సో ప్రతి సినిమాకి మ్యూజిక్ అన్నది వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెయిన్ పిల్లర్. సో మరి అఖండ సినిమాకి మన ఎస్ఎస్ తమన్ ద మ్యూజికల్ మ్యాన్ సంగీతం అందించారు. సో సే ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్ అబౌట్ ఎస్ఎస్ తమన్.
Taman, as everybody knows, is one of the great music directors of Telugu cinema. He's done a fantastic job in Akhanda. You can see in the trailer, the BGM is outstanding. It's next level. It takes you to a different world, like a trance. And the songs are amazing. There's a sweet, beautiful melody song, Adiga, Adiga. Lovely to hear, so soothing. And it's shot beautifully also. So the music and the video, everything is complementing. Very nice song. And then there is Jai Balia, which is high on energy and you know, great lyrics and good composition and good choreography. So all thanks to Thaman for making the film look so good and elevating it. And you know, the music is one of the plus points of our film, and very happy that Thaman is a part of our team, because you know, everyone has done their best in Akhanda.
ఎస్
And definitely it's one of Taman's best work also. I can confidently say that.
ఎస్ సో ప్రజ్ఞ జస్ట్ టెల్ మీ ఆన్ ద వన్ సెంటెన్స్ అబౌట్ అఖండ.
Akhanda is a movie which is high on emotion, action, drama. Everybody will connect with the film, so I think everyone should come and watch Akhanda in the theatres on the 2nd of December, and after, come with your family and friends and enjoy the film.
యా సో అఖండ ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ గురించి చెప్పండి.
My producers of our film Akhanda are Miryala Ravindra Reddy Garu and Sridhar Garu, and they are like the silent backbones of our film. This is my second film with them also, Dwarka Creations. So very, very happy that I got a chance to work with them again. They are the best producers ever, the sweetest people, and the journey with them has been so smooth and comfortable that I'm very happy that I'm a part of Akhanda.
ఎస్ మరి December 2nd అఖండ వరల్డ్ వైడ్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో ప్రజ్ఞ మాత్రం మస్త్ ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉంది. అండ్ బెనిఫిట్ షో కూడా నేను చూడను, డైరెక్ట్గా ఫస్ట్ డే ఫస్ట్ షోనే చూస్తాను అందరితో పాటు. మరి మన సినిమా చూడాల్సిందే అంటూ తను భల్ల గుద్ది చెప్తున్నట్టు చెప్పేస్తుంది. ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ప్రజ్ఞ ఫర్ గివింగ్ అస్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ రిగార్డింగ్ ద అఖండ. అండ్ అఖండ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వాజ్ డామ్ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ అని తన మాటల ద్వారా తెలుసుకున్నాం మనము. సో ప్రజ్ఞ, ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్. ఇంకా చాలా సినిమాలతోటి మన తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకుల ముందుకి రావాల్సిందిగా మేమందరం కోరుకుంటున్నాము. సో మరి ప్రజ్ఞ ఈ సినిమాలో ఒక్క డైలాగ్ మా అందరి కోసం చెప్పేసి బాయ్ బాయ్ చెప్పేద్దాం ఇక. సో ప్రజ్ఞ, మరి నీ మాటల ద్వారా మాకు ఒక చిన్న వర్డ్ కావాలి అఖండ నుంచి. సో అఖండాలో మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన సెంటెన్స్ ఏంటి?
You have to go and watch the movie in a theatre for the dialogues, but one thing I can say, and that is Jai Balaya.
ఓ జై జై బాలయ్య. సో మరి మేమైతే December 2nd కోసం తెగ వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో మీరందరూ కూడా December 2nd కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారన్న విషయం అర్థమైపోయింది. సో డోంట్ మిస్ టు వాచ్ అఖండ ఓన్లీ ఎట్
In the theatres.
ఎస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ దీక్షా సిద్ సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్. బాయ్, టేక్ కేర్.
Hi, this is Pragya Jaiswal. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hey everybody, this is me Noel. Please like, share and subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hi everyone, Nenu mi Avantika Mishra. Please keep watching Mirror TV.
Hi, this is Pavni Gangireddy. Keep watching Mirror TV.